Being a human that lives in the modern world, there are many questions that I face. But one of the most prevalent and important ones is, are Albanians white? So, to answer this question, we first have to analyze the Albanians as a people. The Albanians are the descendants of the Illyrians, and this is a major part of their identity. The Illyrians were soon conquered by the Romans, and they lived in just turmoil for many, many years. I mean, they didn't have any independence. They had to sort of mix with the Romans, right? After the Roman period, some Slavs began migrating to the Balkans and mixing with the Illyrians, and this is what created the first Albanians. An important distinction must be made. The Albanians are not exactly the Illyrians, as the Illyrians had no Slavic influence. Albanians, what makes someone an Albanian is that they are both Illyrian and Slavic. So, yes, this settles the debate. Albanians are also 100% Slavic and 100% Illyrian to their core. Now, an important thing to note is that the Illyrians were actually Christians. How, you might ask? The Albanians are Muslim today. Well, yes, the Albanians today are technically Muslim, but they are not Muslim by choice. When the Ottoman Turks began conquering the Balkans, they subjugated and forced the Albanians to convert to Islam. And if it wasn't for the heroic Skanderbeg, it's possible that most of Europe would just be Muslim at this point. Even more evidence that Albanians are Christian to their core is that the only regions in Albania that are Christians are in the mountains. In the cities of Shkodër and stuff, I mean, the Shkodër's a majority Christian city, and it's in the mountains. One more amazing fact is that if you look at the Albanians from Shkodër, you'll notice they have much whiter features. Could this be that Albanians were whiter before mixing with the Turks? Maybe. Now, some people will say, and I hear this thrown around a lot, is that if you are a Muslim, you forfeit your white card. And there is some truth to this. But Albanians were not supposed to be Muslim. They are not Muslim to their core. They are Christian to their core, but they're Muslim by force. That's the way that I'm going to put it. So any Albanian who becomes Christian is not converting, they are reverting. Now, one thing that we can all agree on is that Greeks are not white, they're all just Turks. And a very important thing to mention about the Albanians is that the Albanian flag is white. It is white to its core. The Roman eagle is on the flag and just shows authority. Even though many people call Albanians Arab, some people call them Muslim, some people call them Turkish, and scientists have debated this for years. They have debated, are Albanians actually white? Are they Arab? Are they Muslim? But after compiling all of the evidence, and I mean all of it, I am here to prove that Albanians are in fact 100% white. They are just white. We all know the common only Greek argument, which is used to prove that they are white, but that one is not even really a good argument to use. It's kind of a logical fallacy. And to prove my point, I've traveled to many Albanian cities. I've been to Shkodër, I've been to Frankfurt, Berlin, Tirana, London, and after looking at them and speaking with them, I have concluded that they are 100% white. So that concludes today's video. We have proven that Albanians are indeed white. Please join me in the next video where we will discuss if Finnish people are white. Thank you very much.